Today we will discuss about trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. So before that, we have to know what are the trigonometric ratios. Now trigonometric ratio of an acute angle in a right triangle, that is right angle triangle, express the relation between the angle and the length of its sides, and those ratios are defined as sin theta, where theta is the acute angle. See, suppose ABC, this is a right angle triangle, theta is the acute angle, then this sin theta, trigonometric ratio of the angle acute angle theta is defined as this height divided by the hypotenuse. This is known as height divided by the hypotenuse, that is AC. Similarly, cos theta, cosine of theta is shortly written as cos theta, defined as this base, that is BC divided by the hypotenuse, that is AC, BC by AC. Tangent of that theta, and shortly written as tan theta, is equal to this AB, height divided by base, AB by BC. Now opposite of all this, cosec theta, sin theta, so reciprocal of sin theta, that is cosecant theta, एक्चुअली शॉर्ट फॉर्म कोसेक थीटा, इसको हम लोग लिखते हैं AC बाई AB, दैट इज हाइपोटेनियस डिवाइडेड बाई द परपेंडिकुलर और हाइट, एंड सेकेंड थीटा इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म सेक थीटा, इसको लिखते हैं AC डिवाइडेड बाई BC, दैट इज हाइपोटेनियस डिवाइडेड बाई द बेस, एंड reciprocal of tan theta, that is cot theta. We write cot theta as BC, that is base by AB. These are the trigonometric ratio for the acute angle theta, this angle theta. Now we know that in case of right angle triangle, the remaining two acute angle are complementary to each other, because from angle sum property this is totally 180 degree. If this is theta, so it will be 90 degree minus theta. From angle sum property of triangle we can say that. Now we will find the relation between these ratios, and if we take the acute angle as 90 degree minus theta, this angle, the complementary angle of the theta, if we take that angle, what will be the relation between this sin theta and sin of 90 degree minus theta? We'll find that. Now for that, see that if we rotate this triangle, if we hold this A point, if we rotate little bit in this direction, then we will get this figure, this figure. So then this angle is 90 degree minus theta, and this is theta. But we will calculate the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So 1 theta, complement of theta is 90 degree minus theta. We will now calculate the trigonometric ratio of the acute angle 90 degree minus theta. So for this triangle ABC, AB is now base and BC is height. So same relation we will apply here also. For the triangle, this triangle ABC, the ratios are sin theta equal to AB by AC, that is height by hypotenuse, and cos theta. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Now for this triangle we will find, see that the acute angle in this case is 90 degree minus theta. So we will find sin of 90 degree minus theta. What will be that? That is height divided by, that is BC divided by the hypotenuse AC, that is equal to BC divided by AC. Next, we will find cos of 90 degree minus theta. That will be base, that is AB here, base is AB divided by the hypotenuse is AC. AB divided by AC. Next, tan of 90 degree minus theta, tan of 90 degree minus theta, that will be equal to the height, that is BC divided by the base AB. BC divided by AB. Cosec theta of 90 degree minus theta, that is equal to this AC hypotenuse divided by the height, that is equal to BC. Sec of 90 degree minus theta, that will be AC, that is hypotenuse, divided by B, that is AB. For this triangle we are calculating. And last one, that is cot of 90 degree minus theta. Cot of 90 degree minus theta will be this base, that is AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC. Now see that the triangle is same. In both case the triangle are same. We only rotate this triangle. This triangle, in both case the triangles are same. This one and this one both are the same triangle. That implies ratio of their side will be same, but we are calculating with respect to different angle here. Now check that what are the ratio for this first before rotating the triangle and after rotating the triangle. Here BC by AC will match that. BC by AC, check, BC by AC is cos theta. So sine of 90 degree minus theta is cos theta. Next AB by AC, check, AB by AC is sin theta here. So cos of 90 degree minus theta will be sin theta. Now BC by AB, see the ratio with respect to theta, that is cot theta. So this is cot theta. Now AC by BC with respect to theta, see the value AC by BC, that is sec theta. So it will be sec theta. Cosec of 90 degree minus theta is sec theta. Similarly, sec 90 degree minus theta is AC by AB. Check AC by AB, you will get cosec theta. This is AC by AB. So that is cosec theta. Similarly, cot of 90 degree minus theta, you will get AB by BC, that is tan theta. So this is equal to tan theta. So these are the relation between complementary angle and its trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Check that sin 90 degree minus theta is cos theta, cos 90 degree minus theta sin theta, tan 90 degree minus theta is cot theta, cosec 90 degree minus theta is sec theta, sec 90 degree minus theta is cosec theta, cot 90 degree minus theta is tan theta. So this is how we can find the relation between the trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Thank you.